Good morning, grade 8 students. Our topic for today is all about subatomic particles. I am Mrs. Ligaya M. Dimaano, your science teacher. Our main objective is to determine the number of protons, neutrons, and electrons in a particular atom. And our specific objectives is to know the properties of the three subatomic particles. Now, let's proceed to the main topic, which is the subatomic particles of an atom. The proton, the neutron, and electron. So what is atom? So atom is the smallest unit of particle from the word atomos, which means indivisible. And indivisible means cannot be cut or divide. Sige. Atom has its subatomic particle and one of them is proton. Proton has a mass of 1.672 times 10 raised negative 24 with positive charge found inside the nucleus of an atom. Yes. Electron has a mass of 9.109 times 10 raised negative 28 with negative charge found outside the nucleus of an atom. However, electron is the lightest particle. So the last atom is neutron. Has a mass of 1.675 times 10 raised negative 24 with zero charge found inside the nucleus of an atom. However, neutron is the heaviest particle. Now let us compare the mass of subatomic particles. The masses of the protons and neutrons are almost the same. The mass of electrons is 9.109 times 10 raised to negative 28. Mass of protons is 1.672 times 10 raised to negative 24 and mass of neutrons is 1.675 times 10 raised to negative 24. Now, let us try this activity. So this is the directions. Study the drawings and answer the questions below. Write your answers on a separate sheet of paper. So we have atom A and atom B. Now here are some questions. Number 1 is, how many protons are there in atom A? And the answer is 1. Now, what about in atom B? So, the answer is 4. In number 2, how many electrons are there in atom A? So, the answer is 1 again. And what about in atom B? The answer is 2. In number 3, how many neutrons are there in atom A? So the answer is 0. What about in atom B? The answer is 5. Okay, so very good answer. Now let's proceed to Activity 2. This is all about atoms. Directions. Label the diagram by writing the correct term from the word bank. Write your answers on a separate sheet of paper again. So, in number 1, what is your answer? This is electron shell. In number 2, this is, so class, what is your answer? This is proton. Very good. In number 3, it is neutron. So in number 4, this is electron. And number 5 is, the last one is nucleus. So in question number 6, which particle of an atom has a negative electric charge? So the answer is electron. And number 7, what particle of the atom contains no electric charge? And the answer is nucleus. Okay, very good. Now let's proceed to an application. So let us think like a proton. So stay positive. Now to sum up our lesson, you should have to think like a proton and stay positive at all times, especially at this time of pandemic. And for generalization, an atom is spherical in shape. It has 3 subatomic particles, namely proton, neutron, and electron. A proton possesses positive in charge. On the other hand, electron is negatively charged, while neutron is said to be neutral. And the lightest among them is electron, while the heaviest is neutron. So electron can be found outside the nucleus, while proton and neutron can be found inside the nucleus. The nucleus is the center part of atom, and the charge of nucleus is positive. So let's proceed now to a short evaluation. You're going to identify the properties of subatomic particles. So letter A represent proton, letter B neutron, and letter C electron. In number 1, it is a negative charged particle. And the answer is letter C. Number 2, it is the heaviest charged particle. So what is the answer? The answer is letter B. Very good. Number 3, a particle found inside the nucleus, and the answer is letter C. Number 4, positive charged particle. And what is your answer, class? Your answer is letter A, which is proton. And number 5, it is the lightest particle charge. So the answer is letter C. Okay, class. So let us reflect. So you're going to write your prompt, views, and insights about this topic. I realized that, I learned that, and thank you for listening. God bless. Bye.